Hey guys, today Quan and I charter a boat off the south coast of Koh Samui Thailand, hoping to do a little catch and cook fishing.
Check it out!
It was such a beautiful trip and we caught a ton of fish, including my first ever cobia. Make sure you stick around to the very end of the video because we're gonna catch, clean, and cook some barracuda and cobia. I'll show you how we prepared it, including grilled, fried, ceviche, and some Thai curry. It's 8:30 in the morning and we are here at the Island View restaurant on the south side of Koh Samui. We've chartered a boat through the restaurant with Lung Cha Tour.
Today we come to go fishing.
You can see various boats on the shore offering different tours in the area. But we're going out on Uncle Cha's wooden longboat. He said he's taking us around those 3 islands you can see in the background, and he's not sure what kind of fish we can catch because the waves have just started to pick up.
Alright,
Lung Cha provided all of the gear and the bait. All we had to do was get on the boat and get ready to embark.
Here's the spot. Are you ready, Tira?
I am ready.
So we anchored down at our first spot a few kilometers off the coast. Lung Cha says the water's only about 30 to 50 meters deep. So he hooks us up with a sinker bottom rig and a squid and hands me a fishing pole. We fished for about 30 minutes with no bites, until finally Quan hooked onto something.
I think it's full.
You lose it? You got it?
I don't know. It's a crocodile.
Oh, yeah. Barracuda. Look at that. Dang. All right, well, she caught the first fish.
In my life.
In your life?
Oh my god.
Well, you're a better fisherman than me.
Oh,
Good job, baby. That's a barracuda. All right, let's catch more. Good job.
And I finally caught a fish. And that is my first ever barracuda. We asked the captain if they're good to eat, and he said they are great grilled or in gang som, or Thai sour curry.
Okay, so we all caught one fish, but we're not getting any bites. So B's gonna take us to another island here. We're gonna try to find another spot. Nice hard shell there. There you go. Well, if that's not a good sign, I don't know what is. That island looks like a fish.
Helicopter.
It looks like a helicopter. I'm gonna go with fish, so we catch fish.
I really enjoyed this second spot. The scenery was beautiful, and I was excited to see what we were going to catch next. The water was even more shallow here near the islands. And right off the bat, P hooks onto something pretty big. And so I pick up the camera to start filming him, and Quan's not feeling too good, and my pole starts going off.
เอาขึ้นมาก่อนเดี๋ยวจะรู้เป็นไรเลย
Take it up, take it up.
Oh, I see, I see.
You see, oh?
โอ้ปลาใหญ่
Oh my god!
ปลาช่อนเดี๋ยวเข้ามา
Special one!
เดี๋ยว
The special one!
ผ่านอยู่
Oh my god!
อย่าให้มันเข้าแต่ท้องไปเดี๋ยวมันจะขาด
Whoa! My god! Very good! My husband did a good job!
ก็กินปลากันไปไว้ยังไง
Get the other fish, maybe you see that?
Oh!
ปลาโค้งกันไปไว้หนึ่งตัว
I caught two.
ชูแล้ว
ได้สองใช่ไหม
คุณแพทย์คุณแพทย์สิโอ้ take another
นี่
Oh.
another person already
So somebody just lost this fish, had the line in it. So
I get so tired
that was a good fight. I'm tired. The arm is tired.
And with the fish on ice, we fished for a little while longer before heading back in.
Không ai trái.
Am I cooking?
ไม่เคยกิน
Okay, we got some fish. Let's go see where we can cook this stuff, because I have no idea what to do with these fish.
I just want to say thank you to everyone at the Island View restaurant.
All right. Well, they don't quite fit in the box, but here we go. I've never filleted, I've never cooked with these fish, so we'll put them on ice, do a little research, and see what we can make. All right, we're leaving the Island View restaurant. We got our fish in the back, some ice.
And some fruit for the road.
There it is. Cobia or planchon.
ปลาช่อน
Thai. I'm gonna try to cut this thing up. All right. It's just gonna get rinsed off. I know. All right, so I've got two big fillets here. There's a lot of meat there. Look at that meat. Oh my God, you guys. Okay. And the last fish here. Okay, we're gonna grill one of these barracuda fillets and then pan fry in some oil, as well as we're gonna grill these cobia steaks I made with some Cajun seasoning, and then we're gonna put that versus some pan fried, get that nice seared crust built up on there. Then the belly here, the cobia belly, we're gonna just pan fry it. All I got on there is salt. We're gonna barbecue, grill up these barracuda wings, and yeah, we'll compare them. Check it out.
2 กิโล 20 บาท มะนาวแป้งบาท
So I fried the rest up in a little bit of oil on the stovetop. I want to compare the differences and see if it's better grilled or fried. The cobia belly is so tender and delicious.
So it is barbecue versus fried, pan fried, that is.
It was a long but great day. We didn't finish preparing and cooking the fish until after 9 p.m., but it was so worth it.
Which one you prefer?
They're both great. That fish is good. That's the fish wing. Look at that. The bottom fin.
This grill one, right?
That's the first time I've ever eaten barracuda. That's really good. And look at that. We just filled our freezer in 2 hours of fishing.
So we had a ton of fish left over. We decided to take some back to the mainland and share it with Kwan's family. So I decided to make a ceviche. First thing, I marinated some minced cobia fish in some fresh squeezed lime juice, and then I cut up my ingredients. And then after 30 minutes, pour the fish and lime juice into the ingredients and mix well.
Mix. Tablespoon or two to taste. No, we let it marinate.
And marinate for another 30 minutes to let the lime cook the fish. And after about an hour of cooking, it's ready to eat.
There we go. Ceviche. We brought the cobia all the way here. We put it in this cooler. Brought it all the way to the mainland here. And shared it to make some cobia ceviche.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments section down below, and make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. And until the next one, Bakes out.